If your food shopping feels like a puzzle, you're not alone. Let's decode those labels. First up, the serving size. Think of it as the measuring stick for everything else on the label. Whether it's per cup or per slice, it tells you how much of that food you're dealing with. Next, calories, the fuel for our bodies. They tell you how much energy you'll get from that snack. But be careful. More doesn't always mean better. Now let's talk percent daily value, or DV. This percentage shows how much of each nutrient you're getting out of your daily needs. Aim high for vitamins, but low for things like fat and sodium. Ingredients tell the real story. They're listed from most to least. Watch out for sneaky sugars like glucose and fructose and hidden fats. Less is more when it comes to additives and preservatives. Finally, those buzzwords, low-fat, organic, whole grain. They sound healthy, but what do they mean? Look beyond the buzzwords to make sure you're really getting the good stuff. Now, you're ready to conquer the grocery store. Remember, read labels, know your portions, and stay healthy. Like, subscribe, and share for more tips.